Now, on top of this, we've got the doner meat. And that looks like massive shavings of doner meat. Doner meat on chips is probably one of my favourite meals. Like, as a guilty pleasure, it doesn't get a lot better. This is like absolute slabs of doner meat. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Sheffield review. I'm here at Belgian Fries. We've been to a fry shop before and they were pretty cool, to be fair. This one, however, seems a little bit more special. Come and have a look at what we've got in our hand. I've even got a great drink watch. So I've got some barbecue doner chips, fries, Belgian fries, notoriously the best fries in the world. They love their fries. They take their fries so seriously. And this place caught our eye. Someone recommended it. And actually, it's literally just up the road from where we were earlier on. Now, Jess, you went in to do the actual order. Do you want to talk everyone through the process of what you said was so good about it?
So you get two flavourings to go on the fries.
So the fries get two flavourings. Is that saucing or?
No, flavourings.
Cool.
And then you get two sauces as well, and I added extra cheese.
So what flavourings and what sauces did we get?
I'm pretty sure I got rosemary and garlic on the chips.
Okay.
And peri peri.
Yep.
I don't know if that goes. And then I got...
I think it will. I
went on her recommendation for the sauces, and I got like a Louisiana hot and a Mexican mayo.
Sweet. All right, cool. First impressions, how much is it, Jess?
£9 with a drink.
£9 with a very special drink. So, first impressions. Fries. Now, if you're going to call yourself Belgian fries, you need to make sure your fries are legit. Let's dive in, see how the fries on its own. That is a really nice fry. It's got really nice, crisp outer coating. One of those sauces you've given me is delicious. Wow. Look at this. Beautifully fluffy, soft in the middle. Look. Melt in your mouth, chips. Still got that crunch, that texture that you want from fries. That crunch, that dip. Now, on top of this, we've got the doner meat. And that looks like massive shavings of doner meat. Doner meat on chips is probably one of my favourite meals. Like, as a guilty pleasure, it doesn't get a lot better. This is like absolute slabs of doner meat. And cheese.
Have I put a weird flavour on?
No, it's not the flavour and it's not the combo, it's the actual quality of the sauce. It's kind of got that mass produced, not going to say plasticky like that texture to it.
It's not developed.
That film.
Ah.
Oh, what though? It's kind of nice. I like the doner meat. The chips are exceptional. You probably could just have cheesy chips here with one or two sauces on top. It would be great.
They had loads of sauces there, and they're all in like cow udders. Yeah.
They were like udders. Want to have a little look? Go on. Put your head through the door. Yeah. Nice and slow. So yeah, that is really different. Like, kind of cool. So here we go. One final mouthful. Chips. A couple of different types of cheese on there. I like it. Now, taking it all into consideration, I'm going to have a drink watch. This is one of my all-time favourites. Are you ready? Chocomel. This stuff is outrageous.
We're in the way again.
It's all right, don't worry. The one and only Chocomel. If you've never had any of this, Go on Amazon and buy yourself a crate. It's the best chocolate milk ever. Those of you who've been to Amsterdam, Belgium, that side of the pond, not the little pond, the Europe pond, will probably know. I absolutely love it. Now, what am I going to give this out of 10? Belgian fries, Sheffield. I'm going to give this not a great score, to be fair. The chips were banging, but I don't think it really worked together. That may well be our sauce combo, but actually, Jess, you can taste the quality of the sauce. You can taste how it feels on your tongue, how it develops with the meat. The meat was decent, to be fair. Big, chunky pieces. Wasn't cooked exactly how I would have liked it to have been cooked. To be fair, it's not bad. I'll take it. 6.7. Not bad. Chips are decent, but so they should be. It's called Belgian fries, and that is a review. Cheers, everyone.